All right, here we are on a Saturday afternoon. I took a break from watching college football, and we are doing stocks to watch. Really smart money stock plays for Monday. That's what we're doing. So again, not financial advice. Clearly for entertainment purposes only. But I got something to show you here in just a second. You can and will lose money. All the disclaimers. We've had the haters come out because we had a good week. The stock on this chart we called it on Monday, or sorry, on Thursday, on Thursday, and I get these TikTok guys. They're like, "Come on, man, you're just calling penny stocks out, blah blah blah. You don't know if it's going to jump or not." And then when I do, all this guy does is penny stocks. Says 72%. Again, not financial advice, but this, I'm just telling you guys what I do. So, ALIM, one of the big winners on Friday. We called it on Thursday evening. You can see right here, there it is. It did gap up 13%. Then it runs to 28% and then settles at 26%. You can see there. We had called that on Thursday. It even broke through the 50-day SMA. It gapped up, which is a great sign. And guess where it ended up? Right where you thought the TA, right around that 560, 570-ish mark, right where there's some market memory. So we did a very, very good call on Thursday going into Friday. So these are, and this is all from smart money. This was literally a president and CEO bought this. And so, and it was like a $125,000 buy. But here's the thing. It's 45% larger position. People are like, oh, that's peanuts. Not for people like me and you and some CEOs. It's not peanuts. So it is what it is. So we're going to get started again today. Let's get it. So first and foremost, we're going to go. So we've researched all of these, right? And there's probably there could be some more that we're missing as far as the hedge funds. I didn't see of the hedge funds that I did research. I didn't really see a lot that I liked of their trades. They tend to hide their trades a little bit more. There was one that I did like. I may do a video before Monday on it. But anyway, first one's up. So it's AAN, Aaron's Company. Now this is rent to own. Director size up. Here's the key: 50% larger position. Now, $100,000 again. Not a lot of money to a lot of people. To me, a lot of money. So he sized it, but it's 50% larger position. So let's go to Aaron's real quick. He bought it on the 4th at $25.63. Right? So he buys this on the 4th, basically buying sort of a dip, right? At 63, he's up 61? What was that? He bought it at 63. Yeah, 63. He's literally down 3 cents, right? So on the 4th, right? And this thing's got a lot of stuff to chew through. This is not, again, I'd like this better if it was a CEO or a president. So I don't think it's going to go, it's probably a 5 to 6%er, and it may gap up a little bit, but it's got a lot of supply to chew through. But he definitely knows something. Wait till you see the next one. This is Aaron's Rental, clearly in a downtrend, had a big earnings miss, big actually. Actually looked at it, but it's got, from where it sits now, I can see it getting back to probably the 50-day. I mean, it's got to chew through 25.80-ish, but I could see it getting up here close to 27. So relative strength had been right around 50 for about a month and a half, touched 70, and then it just jumped down on this earnings loss. So relative strength is big here. It's got a smallish float too, which is 31.5 million, so it can be pushed. And the shares this week were legit. It was thrown out. It did 1.3 million shares this week. So about what Finviz says. So, but that's a stock that we like for tomorrow. Again, these are not long-term stocks. That's another thing that I get on TikTok too. These are not long-term stocks, guys. These are, you play the next day and you get out. That's it. We're 73% the first day, we're 63% the next day, and then after that, we go to 50-50 on day 3. So for Monday, 73%, Tuesday, 63%, on Wednesday, it's 50-50 if it's still going up, right? These are not good stocks. I'm not calling good stocks. Although the bonus stock that I've got for you, pretty good stock. At least the chart's really good, right? So, all right. So that is AAN, the Aaron's company. Next up, here we go. We have EverQuote. EverQuote, it was a big owner in this, 10% owner director on the 4th, 41,000 shares, only a 1% larger position. It is some relatively larger money, though. $550,000 larger position. He bought at $13.43, right? $13.43. And you can see it right here. Like, first of all, like, why? Like, why are we even buying stock? Right? This looks, and these are typically the best stocks. When you see an insider size with $500,000, I don't care if it's just a 1% larger position. He ain't looking to lose $500,000. I can promise you. Something's up. Something's going on. Relative strength in this stock sucks. Again, don't like the stock long term. Don't even like it short term. I like it one day, Monday. That's it. There's nothing to like about the stock. If you want to get long in the stock, it's up at 22, right? So nothing to like. It's a small float. It's always going to have a small float. 18 million. Target price is 41. It is 75% institutionally owned, which is good, and it's almost 7% insider owned. So that's a good thing. So why did it fall off the map? Well, there's really never a falling off the map. It's just done, worse and worse and worse. So they did have a wider loss than expected, right? And that was on the 2nd. He bought on the 4th, though, right? So my boy's underwater, just so you know. And like, how high could this go? I don't know. 3, 4, 5, 6%. I don't see it going past. Certainly not going to get past 17. It's at 13, 17 now, but it's not going to get past $17. There's just no way. But and again, these are not penny stocks, right? So this thing, I'm looking at. I guess you could see it run $1. I'm looking at a 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7% increase on this. I don't think it'll pump like ALIN did on Friday, but if it does, that's all upside, right? Even if it gaps up some, right? So, but nobody's risking $550,000 to lose money. You can see their money continue to go down, even though the next day it did go down after he traded. Typically, that's not typical, but something must be upcoming. So there you go. That is EVER. Again, do not like the stock, but I like the investment from the director and 10% owner, by the way. All right, so our bonus stock today is one that certainly not a penny stock. It's right here, APD. He traded it on Friday, so on 11/5 at 305.61. Certainly not a penny stock. Again, all new position. Love to see that. It's just a director, so it's probably a new director. But about $500,000, right? Again, you're not looking to lose money on $500,000. So APD on 11/5, 305.61, right? 305.61. So yeah, he knows what he's doing because he's already made four bucks. So he's probably up whatever that is. He literally, legitimately, he's probably up like 1.5%, whatever it is. But here's the thing: it's cleared. I believe that's the all-time high. From what I understand. Let's look here. Not an all-time high, but close. So at 320, yeah, it's sitting in all-time high territory for sure. So point is that it's in a breakout, and we like that. We like that he's new. We like the relative strength. It's been up for close to a month now. Before that, it was crap. So it had a really good beat. It is an industrial, which industrials, if you don't know, are catching up. We are in the 3 best months to buy stocks, and so there's nothing to not like about this stock right now, right? And what you have here is, look at this base, right? You got a good base here. Started here, down, and then up, right? So it peaked in June, so it's got a good. So again, the bigger the base, the higher the face, right? So the bigger this is, the bigger this is going to be, the further up that it will run. So it's in a breakout. I don't know what it'll do. Nobody really knows. I could see this being actually I see this being more of a swing trade than anything else. So it's 4 to $5 above all-time highs. I would tell you that, yeah, this is probably more of a swing trade. It may come down on Monday. I don't think it will. I think if the macro's green, and this goes for all the stocks, if the macro's green, it's probably good. Not a low float. It's not going to squeeze. It's got a 315 price target. It's clearly going to outrun that at some point. I do like that is 84% institutionally owned. So you get some big boys in this stock. So that being said, that's APD. That is the bonus stock. Again, more of a YOLO stock. For me, I like the first two better. If it's for Monday, this would be more of a swing, like I said before. So with that being said, that is what the smart money is trading for Monday. And with that being said, you know where we go from here. Watch your six. Go hard and paint. You have a great weekend. We will